Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you have this setting turned on, we can turn it off in two different ways. First thing is, you'll notice that icon that looks like a moon that indicates your Do Not Disturb is turned on. In order to turn it off, you pull down the control menu or pull it up. And then right here in the focus mode, you'll see it says Do Not Disturb. It's on. If I tap on it, it'll open up another menu and I click on it again, and now we have turned it off. Whenever we see that off is gone, if I click on anywhere on the screen, now I see that moon is gone and we have turned it off. Now another thing you might want to consider turning off is going to be if your phone is in silent mode. In your settings under sounds and haptics, you're going to verify that the phone is not in silent mode. If it's on silent mode, it's also going to be similar to Do Not Disturb, so we want to turn that setting off as well to ensure that it's completely turned off, that Do Not Disturb, so you can get notification alerts and any system sound from your iPhone. So that's how you turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.